In the beginning, everything feels natural calls, texts, care. But over time, people confuse comfort with complacency. No one wakes up one day and stops loving. They just slowly stop maintaining what once felt effortless. We learned multiple things in these series of relationships. We learned that we need to set boundaries and how we can set them well. We learned that expectations are going to be there. But how do we expect less and have realistic expectations? We learned that both the partners need to have an important and crucial factor in the relationship, which is mutual respect. We also learned here that standing up for your partner in front of others is a part of showing that respect. We learned that a lot of behaviors and acts that we demonstrate in the relationship are due to inner child wounds or a past where things were different. We learned how to communicate better in the relationship. We learned that in a relationship where two people are involved, it is important to fight fair and not in an unfair way. We learned about the love languages and how we can use it to our benefit to improve our relationship with our partner. During phases of relationships, we learned about the different phases and how to identify them. Once you're aware and sail through them all, then comes the maintenance phase. Yes, maintenance covers all that we've learned and discussed so far. When maintenance fails, everything else fails. If you wish to know the secret to maintenance, listen further to the entire episode. Hi, I'm Ashita Gupta, your podcast host, an HR professional, and a life evolution coach. I am back with an impactful episode for you. You are listening to episode 52, The Effort Gap in Modern Relationships on Let's Evolve. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हमने सब कुछ तो कवर कर लिया है, फिर बचा क्या है? Let me explain with an example. जब हम कुछ कुक करते हैं तो उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स, प्रोसेस, मेथड सब ज़रूरी होता है. ये सब हमने बाकी एपिसोड्स में कवर किया है. और मेन सीक्रेट होता है हर रेसिपी या डिश का एक चीज़, और वो एक सीक्रेट है तड़का. इसके बिना हर डिश इनकम्प्लीट होती है. वैसे ही रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में हमने सब जान लिया है, पर एफर्ट्स गैप फुल कैसे करें वो भी पता चल जाएगा तो तड़का लग जाएगा आपकी रिलेशनशिप में. जब हम न्यू होते हैं रिलेशनशिप में तो हर चीज़ बहुत एफर्टलेसली होती है और सब अच्छा लगता है. थोड़े मंथ्स या ईयर्स जब हो जाते हैं तो वो एफर्टलेसनेस धीरे धीरे कम हो जाती है. What happens when there is no effort in a relationship? Conversations become functional, not emotional. How was your day? Disappears. Appreciation turns into expectation. Small annoyances are never addressed. Effort becomes one-sided. Emotional check-ins almost vanish. It's not the absence of love, it's the absence of attention. And what makes us do this? We assume they'll understand. We get busy with our lives, stress, work priorities, family priorities. We start to take that person for granted who's the most closest to us. We avoid uncomfortable conversations. We think that love should be effortless if it's right, so we don't do anything about it. But let me throw a truth bomb here. Ease in love doesn't mean absence of effort. It means willingness to show up. I recently saw a video where a couple stays curious and excited all the time for and with each other. When they were asked how they do this to keep it alive after so many years, they mentioned that we took effort to work on it. We made sure we keep repeating one positive behavior that the partner is fond of. This story really inspired me. It is not one-sided, but two-sided always when two people are involved, and the effort has to be from both the sides. So let us now talk about how we can make sure we are working on maintenance of the relationship. 1. Regular emotional check-ins. Make sure that you keep checking on your partner emotionally and how they are doing and coping up. This makes the partner feel that you're with them. 2. Expressing appreciation, even for the small things. Appreciation and acknowledgement is something that all humans crave for. We often feel that we're taken for granted. Just by expressing appreciation to your partner, you can make them feel that they're important and you observe what good things they do and bring to the relationship or home. 3. Addressing issues early. This is a very important point. The way we need to pay a maintenance fee for something materialistic by a deadline, make sure that when an issue, fight, or disagreement occurs, you address it within time. If you fail to do this, then you will have to pay a high fee as a penalty. Yes. 4. Making time, not finding time. We take out time for things that matter to us, right? So keep your relationship on the topmost priority. Make time for it and don't find excuses to not do things. 5. Keeping curiosity alive about your partner. In a long-term relationship, especially, we feel that we know so much about the other partner that there is nothing left to know more. We forget that every day is a new day and the number of years do not matter. We as humans keep evolving and there'll always be something to learn about a person. So maintain that curiosity. It'll keep you excited about each other. Effort does take effort, but once you follow the secret steps shared, your maintenance journey will begin. Remember, if you forget or ignore to maintain it, it will end up costing you your happiness. So next time, before you say we grew apart, ask yourself, when did we stop maintaining what once brought us close? Let me share my quote for the episode today. Sometimes saving a relationship isn't about fixing big problems, but restoring small habits. With this, we are at the end of the relationship series. As a coach, I would like to ask this question. What's one small habit you can restart today that once made your relationship feel alive? Comment with your answer or just think about it. Let us evolve the existing relationship with your partner in the best way possible. I hope you like the series. Stay tuned for the new episodes. If you feel connected with me and it gives you a positive feeling, do reach out to me for a coaching session by booking my time on the link mentioned in the description. I support middle-aged individuals reach greater heights by evolving and turning their life around. Do share this within your circles. Do like, share, download and subscribe to my channel. Let's evolve. Have a wonderful day ahead.